Uba AL Heg, Menteri ki kam penroi jingri, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry. Hakasan tarik jelie ulatung Mawnongrim yaka Regional Laboratory Pynneh Symbai Blang bat Langbrot. Bala Beijing lut daga National Livestock Mission Kyrdemkulai Ribhoi District. Hakani kasngi ladon lang uba FR Kharkongor Principal Secretary Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Dr. M. Karshandi Director AHN Veterinary, Raja Brahma ADC Ribhoi District, uba R. Nongbri rang Bashnong Kyrdemkulai San kilo bat ki wei kiri rang ba nakani kathan. Kajing tumu jaga sorkar Meghalaya bat sorkar India, kalong ban penjur ya ki jing penroy ya ki jingri jing do paha kani kajela, ban pendap ya ka jing dan kam do belang jeng ki palba. Lengba kani ka laboratori, ki nongri jingri ki nyok shibon ki jing mentoy haki senam banwan, daga ba penroy bat penhe ya ki kam ri belang haki shnong ki thau. Habakran hakani kesngi uba AL Heg ula ai ke jing Khublai Kerpang ya katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary kabala shimkhia halor kani ka benta ban penklan ya ki kam region ri hapo kajela. Kajingwan ra ya kani ka Regional Laboratory Pynneh Symbai Blang kan long kajing pli lat ban penklan ya ki kam region ri ha kajela ula ong.
Just hold it from the side also.
I shall now invite Dr. Khubor, Joint Director, NEHU.
Director on, right from the staff below, those are there on the ground. Their effort also, there's a team where we can achieve anything there which we are dreaming in our life. So we are thanking so much to all of you for putting all the efforts together, make us a team for this program. So today we are going to lay the foundation stone. We are going to start this project. What is important for any project is the sustainability. The project has to be productive. It cannot be a liability to us. That is important in our role when we are there. We are also employees. We are a servant. We are working here. We are here to serve, not to be served. We have to take the responsibility to ensure that this project is productive and also has this sustainability. It has to be there. Otherwise, if, like many other projects of the state, I'm not talking only veterinary department. I remember once upon a time when I was first elected in 1998, late B.B. Lindo had told us the government should not do business. Let the people or the business people should do business. Not the government. But anyway, but this is the government project. We have the sole responsibility to ensure that this is productive. We create employment also. We create job for the others by having this kind of deep project. So that's why I humble request, my appeal to each one of us, including myself and everyone, take this project as your own, of our own project. This is not a government project. Then only we will see the productivity and we'll see also the sustainability of this project. So I wish all of you to take the responsibility. Take this as a duty bound. We have a duty bound. We have a responsibility to ensure that anything we are doing for the welfare of the states of Meghalaya. So I'd like to thank also the musicians group of the